Sure.
In terms of other democracies invited to the summit, India, Rahul Gandhi, the opposition leader, has been expelled from parliament. Do you have anything to say about that? Is that consistent with democratic values?
Thanks for your question, Sean. So, respect for the rule of law and judicial independence is a cornerstone of any democracy, and we're watching Mr. Gandhi's case in Indian courts, and we engage with the government of India on our shared commitment to democratic values, including, of course, freedom of expression. In our engagements with our Indian partners, we continue to highlight the importance of democratic principles and the protection of human rights, including freedom of expression, as a key to strengthening both our democracies.
Can I just follow up briefly?
Sure.
Is it engaging with the government of India? How about with Mr. Gandhi himself? Is the United States still engaging with him as the opposition leader?
I don't have any specific engagements to read out, Sean, but as I'm sure you know, someone who's covered this department for some time, it is normal and standard for us to engage with members of opposition parties in any country where we have bilateral relationships, but I don't have any specific engagement to read out. Sure, and then I'll come back to you, Jenny. Go ahead.
Is Mexico still invited to the Summit of Democracies, considering that the President Obrador is also pushing for these legal changes to undermine the independent elections body in Mexico?
I'm not aware of any change in invitation status, but we'll check specifically and see if we have any updates to get back to you.
Do you have anything to say about the latest developments on that issue of the undermining of the independent elections body in Mexico?
What I would say is that Mexico is a close and valued partner of the United States, and we work together to address a number of shared challenges that span not just our hemisphere, but all areas of bilateral cooperation through the commitments made at the North American Leader Summit, through the bicentennial framework. Our countries have worked closely to promote human rights, to promote democracy, and to protect vulnerable populations as well. Janie, go ahead.
Thank you, Vedant. Two questions. The U.S. Senate Foreign Relations Committee recently